Backyards like this are one in a million. Where else can you go fishing in your own backyard? The peaceful and relaxing lifestyle outside also carries inside the house. Enjoy the light and bright updates, the open floor plan perfect for entertaining, and the gorgeous oak floors. Whether it's working from home or enjoying a fancy dinner, this home has it all. Ready to curl up for a movie night? All 3 guest bedrooms are upstairs. Guest bedroom 1, full bath. Guest bedroom 2. Last but not least, guest bedroom number 3. At the end of a long day, come inside and enjoy your primary oasis, his and hers closets, updated bathroom, and this may be my favorite view of the house. Does this not check off everything on your wish list?